What if I told you that you could turn a single image into a fully animated video? Or that just a few lines of text could become a dynamic scene automatically? And here's the real game changer. What if you could upload a video and use it as a reference to generate brand new content in seconds? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Not anymore. That's exactly what Vidu.com is making possible. This advanced AI tool is transforming the way we create videos with powerful features like image to video, text to video, and reference-based generation. But here's the big question. How good is it, really? And can it stand up to traditional video editing tools? Let's dive in and find out. You'll find the link to try Vidu in the description below. Click it, sign up for free, and you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Right away, you'll see tools like reference to video, image to video, text to video, AI sound effects, and more. Scroll a bit, and you'll also find a library of ready-made templates, from short films to tutorials to jumpstart your creative process. It's built to be simple and intuitive, whether you're brand new to editing or a seasoned pro. Let's kick things off with the reference to video tool. This feature lets you generate videos based on up to 7 reference images. These can be anything, characters, props, or entire scenes. Once uploaded, you can fine-tune your video by setting the duration, resolution, starting at 720p, motion speed, amplitude, and aspect ratio. When you're set, just hit create, and within seconds, Vidu generates a video that mirrors your inputs. Not happy with the result? Click recreate, and it'll instantly generate a new version. Now, onto the image to video feature, recently upgraded with the new Vidu Q1 model for even sharper and more lifelike visuals. The process is simple. Upload an image, describe the scene with a short prompt, and optionally, upload a second image for added context. Set your video length, like 5 seconds. Pick your resolution, 1080p recommended. Hit create, and Vidu gets to work. And the result was incredibly realistic, almost like it was filmed in real life. Next, we have text to video, one of the simplest yet most impressive tools. Just type in your prompt. Select a visual style like general or animation, adjust the video duration, resolution, movement, and aspect ratio, then click create. In moments, Vidu transforms your text into a fully rendered cinematic video. It's amazing to see detailed visuals created from nothing more than a line of text. Another standout feature is AI sound effects. This tool generates high-quality, realistic audio based on simple text prompts, and Vidu creates layered sound effects that sync perfectly. You can fine-tune when sounds start and stop using timestamps, and drag and drop audio clips right on the timeline. It's powerful, yet super easy to use. No need to dig through giant sound libraries. Finally, there's the templates to video feature. This is great if you want a professional looking video with minimal input. Choose a style, like this dreamy anime-inspired look. Upload your images, tweak a few settings, and hit generate. Vidu instantly applies transitions and effects, giving your footage a polished finish without manual editing. So there you have it, Vidu.com in action. As you can see, creating high-quality videos from images, text, or reference content isn't just possible, it's effortless. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just curious about AI tools, Vidu makes the whole process fast, fun, and seriously impressive. Want to try it yourself? The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more walkthroughs like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.